Hello everybody, in this video I'll be unpacking and just putting this compression sock. It's a large, extra large size. I saw this, thought it may be good for running, so I thought I'd just give it a try. So let me just remove it from this packaging. Okay, so it's pretty soft. It's tight, even though it's extra large, it seems pretty tight. And it doesn't have the top section where you put your toes in. Okay, I'm going to just try this on. So here you go, some feet pics. Incoming feet pics. Okay, I'm just going to put this sock in. It's a little bit tight. To be honest, I'm not sure if I'm putting it the right way. It is large, extra large, but according to the sizing, I should be able to fit this. So as you can see, it doesn't have the top section. Just making sure the heel is in the right location. And yeah, it feels pretty tight. Not sure whether it's going to be comfortable running with this without, the front section of the sock. And I'll be honest, it just seems like it's a normal sock without the top section. And it's tight. Obviously, it's the compression. It's meant to be good for your heel. Let's see what happens. I'll provide an update next time.